Do you love them?
No!
Is that your most favorite present yet?
No!
What's in there?
Socks! You guys are so mean! Giving me underwear and socks for Christmas!
Every kid needs underwear and socks.
I don't care! I want toys, not underwear and socks!
Say thank you.
No!
Say thank you.
No!
It was a present that was bought for you.
No, it is not a present. It's disgusting, worn, dirty socks.
No, they're new.
No, they're not!
Fresh out of the package.
Stop it, Mom. That is not a present. It's socks, dirty socks.
Want to move on to the next one?